So you've got your mocks coming up and you don't know when to start to revise. This is my advice to you. My name's Sadia, I'm a qualified science teacher and I'm trying to help you understand how to revise or when to revise, and also breaking down science topics for you. So the first thing that I'm going to say is that you need to start now or as soon as possible. Now the reason for this is that you've got loads of GCSE subjects that you need to revise. That's a lot of content that you need to go over. Now what you need to do is you need to break up your revision into little bits. So basically all that content you need to separate into smaller chunks. By breaking it up into smaller chunks, you're making it more manageable. You're making sure that you keep on track of your revision and it's not just left for last minute so that you cram, you get overwhelmed, you get stressed. Now the really important thing that you've got to remember is that it's not about the quantity of revision you do, but it's about the quality of revision you do. So you could sit there for 5 hours and you can read and read and read and read, you can write your notes down, or you can highlight anything and everything. That's not going to help you. What you need to do is you need to make sure you're using active recall techniques. What that basically means is that you're actually doing something with your revision. So instead of just reading, instead of just writing everything down, instead of just highlighting anything and everything, you're actually doing something with your revision. Now, I'm not saying don't read at all, but what I'm saying is actually do something with that information that you've just read. So for example, choose a topic, say, give yourself 5 to 10 minutes to read about the topic, but whilst you're reading about that topic, what I want you to do is get a blank piece of paper and start typing some questions about what you've just read. So say you've read a paragraph about the animal or plant cell, instead of writing down information about the animal and the plant cell, you're going to write down some key questions about what you've just read. So for example, what is the function of the ribosomes? What's the function of the cytoplasm? Now, after you've done that, you're going to close your notes, close your textbook, and you're going to try and answer those questions to see, have I actually understood what I've read? Do I get it? So remember, start now, start small, and use active recall.